Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this integration problem. Evaluate, integrate pi by 6 over pi by 3 sin x plus cos x divided by root of sin 2x dx. What is given? Integration of pi by 6 power pi by 3 sin x plus cos x divided by, we will take plus 1 minus 1 plus sin 2x root. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, sin 2x comes into dx. Next step, pi by 6, pi by 3, sin x plus cos x divided by root of 1 minus bracket 1 minus sin 2x into dx. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So we will write minus here. Sin 2x, how we will write? Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. Now we will write this one as 2 sin x cos x. Integration of pi by 6, pi by 3, sin x plus cos x divided by root of 1 minus, open the bracket, 1 minus 2 sin x cos x, close the bracket, into dx. This one, how we will write? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We will write 1 as a sin square x plus cos square x. Integration of pi by 6, pi by 3, sin x plus cos x divided by 1 minus, open the bracket, sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x into dx. This one, you see, this is a square plus this is b square minus 2ab. What is a? A is equal to sin x, b is equal to cos x. This one, what is the formula? A minus b, the whole square. Next, integration of pi by 6 power pi by 3 sin x plus cos x divided by 1 minus, here is root, open the bracket, sin x minus cos x the whole square into dx. Let sin x minus cos x equal to t. We will differentiate this one. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Already minus is there, so plus sin x into dx is equal to dt. When pi by 3, this is the upper limit, sin x minus cos x, sin pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3. So sin pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2 minus cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. This one, how we will write? Root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. This is the upper limit. Next, we will take when pi by 6, sin pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 minus cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. This one we will write as 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. Next, I is equal to integration of upper limit is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Lower limit is 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. Sin x plus cos x dx is dt divided by 1 minus root of 1 minus sin x minus cos x is t. So square. Next, integration of dx divided by 1 minus x square root equal to sin inverse of x plus c. This is the formula. You see here, dt divided by root of 1 minus t square. This one how we will write? I is equal to sine inverse of t 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. Here is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Next, I is equal to sine inverse of root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. Next, I is equal to sine inverse of root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Here is using 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. So we will change this one as a root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Here is minus. So minus into minus plus sine inverse of root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. I is equal to, you see here is 1 sine inverse of root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Here is 1 sine inverse of root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 sine inverse of root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. I is equal to 2 sine inverse of 1 by 2 open the bracket root 3 minus 1. This is the answer. Thanks for watching this video.